The catalog boasted over 100,000 items, spanning clothing to household goods, establishing itself as a cornerstone for American consumers. Its unprecedented size and diverse offerings transformed retail. Initially, Sears faced challenges in selling building supplies. However, a crucial recommendation in 1906 led to the introduction of house building kits, marking a pivotal shift in the company's product range. In 1908, Sears launched the Modern Homes catalog, which provided all essentials for constructing a home, including materials and blueprints. This innovation highlighted the company's impressive adaptability and forward-thinking approach. During its inaugural year, Sears offered just one model, a modest 8-room bungalow, but by 1918, this number surged to hundreds of models. This expansion mirrored the growing demand for affordable housing options. The model names often evoked the charm of small towns, with favorites like Argyle and Magnolia. Such names fostered a sense of community, enhancing the model's appeal to potential buyers. Families selected their homes based on individual preferences, needs, and budgets. The kit homes provided a comprehensive package, including pre-cut lumber and building plans, ensuring convenience for buyers. Approximately 50% of Sears homes were constructed by homeowners, often with support from family and friends, highlighting the significant role of community in home building. This collaborative effort marked a unique aspect of the process. While Sears was not the pioneer in selling homes via mail, it emerged as the most popular choice, offering distinctive modifications tailored to buyer preferences. This innovative strategy distinguished them within the housing market. Sears sold around 100,000 homes that catered to diverse family sizes and budgets, demonstrating a profound impact on housing accessibility. Their designs were not only aesthetically pleasing but also well constructed, appealing to a wide range of consumers.